So in our previous video, we had written the logic for the user sign-in part. Okay, now what we will do in this video is we will go ahead and see how we can protect some routes using the NextJS middleware. Now you can see I have already started the development server. Let us go here, and what I will do is I will go ahead and enter my details. Okay, so I'll enter my password as well. Okay, click on sign in, and after clicking on sign in, it should give me logged in successfully. Okay, now this page couldn't be found, so let us just go ahead and just create this one. Okay, so what I will do is inside the app folder. Okay, we will create one user route group. Okay, and inside that, let us create one profile folder. Profile. Okay, profile, then we'll have a page.js. Okay, a page.js, and let us also create one, let us say layout.js file, layout.js. Okay, so export default function. Okay, export default function profile layout. Okay, profile layout, and what I will do is here I will get the children, return, just I'll return the children. Okay, and here export const metadata is equal to, let us say, title. Okay, so title will be user, uh, or let us say my profile. Okay, my profile. Then next JS authentication. Okay, next JS authentication. Let us save that, and inside this page.js, let us write a RFC. Okay, and just name the component as profile. Okay, or the page as profile. Let me remove this unused React import. Okay, so default export. Okay, so let us just remove that. So we'll get this profile text here. Now what I want to do is I want to just protect these routes. Okay, get started. Now when I go to this routing part, I will get the middleware. Okay, middleware, and here if I'll go down, wait a second. Okay, if I'll go down, you can see we have got a lot of examples here. First of all, what this will do is it will actually match every path that is containing slash about slash, and then after that anything. Okay. Then we have a lot of things. Headers from next.config.js redirects middlewares before files, file system routes, after files. Okay, they support a lot of things here. So what I want to look is for this one. What this will do is actually it will run the middleware for each and every route except the API routes and some given routes. Now this particular middleware should be created in the same directory where the app folder is there. Okay, so let us create middleware.js. Okay, outside the app directory, inside the src directory, and paste it here. Okay, let us paste it there, or let us just place it inside app folder. Okay, so let me see what's happening. It's not compiling the middleware. Wait a second, let me see. Compile middleware. Okay, so slash middleware must export. Okay, so actually what we have to do is we have to export a function, export default function. Okay, middleware, middleware, and it will take the request. Okay, so const, okay, return next response dot next, okay, next response dot next. Let us save that, And if I reload it, you can see we are getting the profile part. Okay. Now what I can do is I can tell it that const cookies is equal to request.cookies. So let us go ahead and see how we can use cookies in middleware. So we have to do something like this uh, request.cookies. Okay, request.cookies. And then what can I do is, okay, so first of all, let us do one thing. Let us get the auth token cookie. Okay, auth token cookie request.cookies.get. Okay, so then we will get the auth token cookie. Okay, and just console.log the auth token and save that. Now it should work. Yeah, we are getting the auth token. Now what I will do is if not of auth token, if not of auth token, what should we do is return next response.json, or let us say next response.redirect. Okay, slash log. So if we are not getting the auth token, we'll just redirect the user to slash login. Okay, now let us say I'm deleting the auth token here. I'm deleting auth token from here. And if I reload that, it should redirect me to URL is malform. Please only use absolute URLs. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to write a config, not config actually, process.env dot next underscore public underscore post plus. Okay, so then save it. Okay, and okay, so it's telling me localhost redirected you many times, else. Wait a second, let me see what's causing this issue. Okay, I want to get the path name actually. So let me see how can I get the path name. Okay, so let me see. First of all, let me just go ahead console.log request dot next URL dot path name. Let me see what's being given here. Okay, so wait a second. Slash login not found? What? What a joke. Okay, slash sign in actually. It's slash sign in. Wait a second. Let me see. Okay, so we are getting the slash sign in slash login. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, let me do one thing. Uh, matching paths. matcher allows you to run on specific paths. Okay, so I want that the matcher should run on all of these routes. Okay. Let us provide some specific routes, that is slash sign up, slash sign in, okay, slash profile. Okay, then we will have slash verify dash password, sorry, slash verify. Okay, then we will have slash, we will not have the slash verify. Actually, we will not have slash verify in the middleware, because that can be also used by an authenticated user. Then we will have reset dash password. Okay, slash colon path star. Okay, because the after the reset password slash, the path can be either optional or it can be filled up by a token. Okay, so then sign up, sign in, profile, verify. Okay, I think these many paths, and also let us say slash logout. Okay, will not do that. So what I will do is I'll write here const public routes. Okay, public routes. Let us say we are having slash sign up. Okay, slash sign in, and also slash reset password. Okay, slash star colon path start. Okay, let us check. Let us check if not of auth token ampersand. Okay, ampersand public routes dot includes. Okay, dot includes request dot next URL dot path name. Okay, so we'll just return that, else. Wait a second, not like this. Actually, if auth token, if auth token, if not of auth token, else. If not of auth token, okay, else if auth token protected routes that are, let us say, slash profile. Only will have slash profile as the protected route. Let us check if the authenticated is user is trying to go to the login or the sign up page, or the sign in page, or the reset password page. Even he or she is logged in. What I will do is next response dot redirect. Okay, we'll just redirect the user to slash profile. Else, okay, if not of auth token. Okay, I don't think we should run this. Wait a second. I will do one thing. I will do one thing that, okay, if not of auth token, okay, if not of auth token, actually, what I will do is if auth token doesn't exist, wait a second. If the auth token does not exist, what I will do is I'll redirect the user to slash sign in. Okay, that is process.env dot next public host, okay, plus slash sign in. And if the user has an authentication token, but there is one catch that the user can also access. So localhost redirected you too many times. So there's still one error. Okay, so let us see what's the error. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's just proceed with the previous matcher part, where we are excluding some of the routes. Okay, so let us just proceed with this part. Okay, let us just proceed with this part. So matcher, this will match all the routes. It will run on all the routes except this. So what I will do is I will add sign up. Okay, sign in. Then we will have reset dash password. Okay, then we will have profile, not profile actually. So verify. Let us just save that, and it should not erase any error. Yeah, now it's actually working. So what I will do is if not of auth token, if not of auth token, const protected routes is equal to, okay. So not of auth token and protected routes is equal to slash profile. Okay, we may add something else, ampersand. Okay, so protected routes dot includes, okay, request dot next URL, request dot next URL dot path name. Okay, I'll check that. And if I'll try to access profile page again, so it must redirect me to sign in. Yeah, now this is working. So what I will do is I'll log into my account, sign in, and now logged in successfully. Okay, now what I will do is I'll also create an array for public routes. Okay, public routes. Now what I will do is here I'll provide sign up. Okay, then sign in. Okay, sign in, and then what I will do is slash verify. Okay, slash else if, okay, else if auth token public routes dot includes, okay, so request dot next URL dot path name. Okay, if the authenticated user is trying to access the page, let us just redirect him or her to the profile page. Now if I'll try to go to the sign in page, let us say trying to access the sign in page, still also we can access that because we have excluded that one from here. So let's just reload. Yeah, now this is working. Now if I erase this one, and reload it. Okay, so now it's perfectly working. Okay, first of all, we are checking if the if the authentication does not auth token does not exist, and we are trying to access a protected route, redirect the user to sign in. If the authentication token exists and we are trying to access the path name, the protected public routes, okay, if the authentication token exists and we are trying to access public routes, just redirect the user to slash profile or else return next response dot next. Now let us check if you are able to access the public routes. Yeah. So let us check. Let us just sign into our account. Okay. Now let us check out what can we access the homepage. Yeah. Now we can access the homepage actually. So okay. Now we are done with the middleware part. We can protect the routes now. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll add. Okay, so now I'll push the code to GitHub. Now, thank you everybody for watching this video, and I will see you next time.